Ever seen a bird with copper in its feathers? The Turaco defies nature's rules with its extraordinary plumage. These African forest dwellers possess something truly unique. Turacoverdin, the only green pigment in the bird world containing copper. Their crimson wing feathers hold another copper-based pigment called Turacin, which can actually wash out in heavy rain. Despite their vibrant colors, Turacos remain elusive, preferring to hop between branches rather than fly long distances. Their distinctive calls echo through the canopy, while they feast on fruits with their specialized bills. These living jewels represent one of evolution's most colorful experiments. Share your Turaco encounters below.